Electron configuration part 2. Today we're going to learn how to write the shorthand for electron configuration. So for example, let's look at sulfur. Sulfur has 16 electrons. Let's write out the regular electron configuration for sulfur. So here's sulfur right here. So I'm going to write the electron configuration until I get up to 16 electrons or till I kind of get to this spot on the periodic table. So if we start with row 1, notice that the electron configuration for row 1 is 1s2. Then we go to row 2. We got to go all the way through. It's going to be 2s2, 2p6. So we went all the way through the second row. Now we are on the third row. So we're going to go 3s2. We skip over this area above the D block and we're going to go to 3p, and I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4. 3p4. So that's the standard electron configuration for sulfur. Now, if I want to write the noble gas configuration or the shorthand configuration, if you remember from physical science, these gases on the end of the periodic table are called noble gases. And since they're at the end of the periodic table, it kind of just makes a good point for us to kind of start at. So what you do is you basically are going to go up and over. So here's sulfur. I'm going to go up and over. Oh, I don't know what I just did there. I'm going to go up and over, and I'm going to see that I land on neon. So neon is the gas that you pass before sulfur. So I'm going to put neon in brackets. So the symbol for neon is Ne, and I'm going to put it in brackets. Now, this is basically the electron configuration for neon. So basically, when you put neon in brackets, you're kind of saving yourself from writing all of this. So we're going to do neon, and then we're going to write the electron configuration for just the row that neon is on. So it's going to be 3s2, 3p4. So it saves you a little bit of time. Now, as you get further down the periodic table, it will save you more time. So let me just erase kind of what I just did so that we can kind of start again. And let's do another element. So let's choose, let's choose kind of an easy one. Let's choose calcium. Oops, I'm kind of erasing stuff that I did not mean to erase. Sorry, I didn't mean to erase this. We're going to kind of draw this back here. All right, so now let's try calcium. Okay, so the gas that you pass before calcium. So we're going to go up and we're going to go to the very end of the row, and we are going to land on argon. So basically I'm just going to put argon in brackets. So basically I have taken everything that is up here and summarized it into just putting AR in brackets. So now I can just write the electron configuration for the row that calcium is on. Now, anytime after a noble gas, you're always going to start with a S. That's just the way it is. It's at the end of the row. The first of the row is always going to be in the S sublevel. Now, I'm on the fourth row, so it's going to be 4s2. So that is the noble gas configuration for calcium. Okay? Look through your notes. There are some more examples on how to write the noble gas configuration. You really do just need to show up during your assigned class time and get on the Google Meet for some more explanation. It's much easier for me to do in person than it is for me to just do it here on this notepad. Okay? So again, let me know if you have any questions, but show up for class and I will be going over it, and I can do examples for you live, and it really will be much easier to show you this that way. All right.